Daddy. I'm daddy, bitch.
Well, today is the day. I'm gonna ride the bike to a Harley Davidson store because I called on the phone and I got a chance to win a Harley. And today is today on a radio station. Isn't that cool?
So cool.
So we're gonna go, and apparently it's supposed to be 160 people there to win. Well, to win and sell the bikes, because obviously a lot of people can't afford the taxes on brand new Harley, and you get two bikes actually. So probably they sell one so they can pay out for the other. It's fucked up, but it's the way it is. So we're gonna stop and get breakfast first, and then we're gonna ride on out. Yeah, we are here. About to win a motorcycle. Maybe, I don't know.
I've got 2 tickets to paradise. I've got...
I don't know this guy, but he's cool.
First of all, we want us to welcome everybody here. If you haven't been officially welcomed to Gail's Famous Motorcycles in Grandview.
Wherever it is, you can have fun.
And you know what?
A few moments later.
Lisa, did you win on the radio, or did you win to Gail's, or did you win second chance?
I won the motorcycle.
Well, you did. How did you get qualified?
I'm 95. She was number 17.
Congratulations. You didn't get to try.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, well, that's it for here. It's okay. One day, when I'm 45 or so. Oh, fuck. Yeah, my buddies was like, hey, Jerry, go get the biggest diesel pickup you can find. And I'm like, all right. I don't think that's what they meant. Fuck. All right, I'm almost done with work. I'm going to go ahead and stop at this gas station. I'm going to pick up beer. But I don't drink beer. But I'm about to explain that. Ooh, coming in hot. Let me get up in here. Okay, so I had to stop and get a 30 rack of Bush. And I'll explain that. So last week I fucked up at work. I drive a dump truck. And I had to buy him a 30 rack of beer. End of the day, I'm going to drop that off with them. What did I do wrong? Leave the comments and below why I had to buy them a case of beer for fucking up last week. Think you know, as a dump truck driver? Blah, blah, blah. All right, I pulled over because that would not be good, man. I came all the way on the freeway. And if I would have had to stop quick, oh, dude, come on. Yeah, that hood would have came right fucking up. Check the other side. Oh, fuck, bro. What the fuck? Always pre-trip your fucking truck. Shit. All right, everybody. Headed to work. I'm a little late on my first day here as a foreman. So I'm gonna apologize to myself. I'm gonna have to write you up. And it'll be okay. It's your first write-up. Just, you know, don't keep fucking this up, and everything will be fine. There's something on my face. See, I don't even got time. Didn't really have time to shit, wipe my face for breakfast. Gotta get to work. All right, well, something on the truck is not doing good, so let's get back here and find out what is going on. Oh. Well, yeah, that's definitely not good, bro. Oh, the pin. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Well, that's shit, dude. I used to call people crazy doing this. Now I do it. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. That was awesome. Somebody came in on my channel and said, hey, where do we take these rocks at? And I said, to the trap house. Oh yeah, 8 in the morning. I got a late start today due to the rain. That's okay. There's a difference between a rooster and your mom. A rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Your mom says any cock will do. All right, so I just got loaded. I'm leaving the plant, and somebody had their tailgate open. Oh shit. Let's see how bad it is. Oh fuck. Man, that's what worries me, this right here. Well, let's see about on the main road. See how bad it is. Alright, this is the main road. Am I clear? Oh Lord. That's what happens when you get loaded and your gate was unlocked. Oh man. Let's see how bad it gets further on up. Shit. Oh wait, I think I see it. He actually set and he's seen it, and I think he turned around and went back. Okay, so he did catch it before he went too much on the main roads. Yeah, man, you always gotta check your truck before you get loaded. It is, I mean, they do break. Yep, someone shop till they drops. You're probably like, hey, what about the traffic here, you know, before the stadium? Okay, if you really want to know that. So you get off here at, stay in this lane, Blue Ridge cutoff. Oh shit, you motherfucker, piece of dick fuck. Anyways, watch out for traffic. When you're late and you're on the freeway, nothing new, nothing new. When you're late, you can only be later. You can never be on time being late. You're later. It's just the way it is. Fuck. All I gotta say is this guy that's hanging out this fucking truck back, it is unsafe, bro. Unsafe. Stop waving at me. Close the fucking door. Oh great, we got another company that has a guy with the door open. His name's Anthony. Close the fucking door, Anthony. Stop waving at me. I'm trying to drive.
Outside road, take a picture, bro. I'm going to.
What the fuck was that? Yo, I gotta share this with you. So, these are some off-putting Crocs, right? But what gets me, look at this. I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool, right? What? You're probably wondering, hey, Daddy, what have you done on your only day off this week after you're working 60 hours? Well, let me show you. I'm just mowing the grass, trimming my bushes. You know, daddy shit. You're pushing us. We're at the park. Oh, I don't see her no more. Is she coming?
Here she is.
Oh, she's pushing us.
Give us a push.
Give us a push. There we go. Oh, you went on too? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's me. That's me. Hanging out the park. Fuck, this heat is just killing me. Roll those fucking windows up. What is she doing? She playing? All by herself? Fuck, there's nobody here. She got the park all to herself. I'm so jealous. Turn the fucking air up.
Painfully.
Oh, God. I mean, it's just a little high. Oh, there she comes again. What? I'm in another residential neighborhood. Oh, man. That sucks. Oh, she done. Got King Kong in the trunk. Yeah. Because the roads ain't even that bad, but if you have to get to work, I mean, I guess you just got to do what you got to do, bruh. You got to do it. Welcome to the Midwest.
Daddy, this is so much fun.
Okay. God damn, all the way up the road. So you're telling me we can go over here and get some stuff for $1, go in here and get some stuff for $1, and then next door we can go in and get something for $1.
All the dollars.
I like this place.
But wait though.
What?
There, You can't get nothing for $1. It's
Well,
$1.25.
I'm just saying you can find something
the
cheap
Dollar
here.
Tree is now the $1.25
You can find something
tree.
cheap here, and then go next door and find something cheap here. Is all I'm trying to say.
Let's go get some cheap shit.
Hell yeah. You think your vehicle has shitty gas mileage? I don't know. Welcome to mine. Goddamn dump truck life.
You scared me. Oh shit.
Oh boy.
What happened?
All right, everyone. I'm at a car lot. I'm on my first job. I'm gonna work on a vehicle for this car lot owner. Hell yeah. You wanna see what we got? We got this Toyota. Cool. Let's go fix it. It's the back door don't open, so we're gonna figure that out. Well, here we are at the lot again. 2011 Nissan Maxima. The trunk's not open up. Well, I tell you what, I found it. This is the problem right here. And I found the wires, the white and the blue and the black. They're just not connected, so we're gonna figure that out. And it should work right after. Let's hope. Let's fucking hope. You got a high mileage vehicle and you don't got a God damn, so many lights on. You really driving it? You really driving this old school dump? You really working it hard? Yeah, bro. I was just thinking, man, that minivan right there, it sure is a sweet ride. Well, I did a thing. I bought a mini bike. She's on it. Hell yeah, bro. Oh God. Oh, here she comes, just getting it down the road. She loves the mini bike. Just out getting it. That smile. Yeah? You ready for a bigger motorcycle?
Yeah.
Oh shit. My back hurts, my ass hurts, everything hurts, even my feelings hurt. Fuck. After so many hours in this, bouncy, 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 man, sitting in this truck for 12 hours, everything hurts. Damn. So he brought down a power line. Because he was in the paver like that, he's being pushed, he has no control. And they didn't tell him to lower his bed in time. So he snapped a fucking power line. So they're all working on it now, got the road blocked off. Yeah, buddy.
Welcome to Backyard Burger. Make sure you try our big backyard burger today. It really is big.
I like them big. Oh, they got DVD movies. Lieutenant Dan, I found Jesus.
Didn't even know you were looking.
Oh, it sure is nice out here on the bike, but you know what's cooler than that? These motherfucking nails. Buffaloes. Look, your family's out there. Oh. Hello, everybody. So today I am working on a Try that again. Hello, everybody. Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.